Hello student, what is pi? Let us assume we are asked to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. So we draw a circle like this. The length of this red thing will be the parameter. And we have a special name for the parameter of a circle. It's called the circumference. This length will be the circumference. This length will be measured 18.85 centimeters. The next thing we need to find out is diameter of the circle. The diameter of circle is twice its radius. Hence the diameter will be 2 multiplied by 3, which equal to 6 centimeters. Now we have taken us to draw a circle of radius for centimeters. It will be slightly bigger than the previous one. This red boundary will be the circumference. This time too we measure the circumference. For this circle we get the circumference as 25.1 centimeters and the diameter will be the twice its radius, which equal 8 centimeters. We looked at two different cases here. One circle with 3 as radius and another is 4 as its radius. In both cases we calculate the circumference and the diameter. Okay, let's zoom out and find the ratio of circumference by diameter in each case. If we calculate the value of circumference by diameter in the first case, we will approximately get it as 3.14. And guess what? In the second case too, we get the value of circumference by diameter as approximately 3.14. Okay. Now, matter what circle like, the value of circumference by diameter will always be approximately equal to 3.14. This value is pi. Remember, both these cases are approximations. Okay. Let us zoom out, deduce the formula for the circumference. Okay. As the circumference by diameter equal pi, we can say that the circumference of a circle equal pi multiplied by diameter. Okay. If we call the diameter d, then the formula can be written as pi multiplied by d, which can also be written as pi multiplied by 2r, because the diameter is twice the radius. So the circumference of circle is written as 2 pi r. All we did was write this product a bit differently. This is very important formula as it gives us the value of circumference, even if you just have the radius of the circle. There is another important thing about the special constant pi. Okay. We get the same value if we divide 22 by 7. So the value of pi approximately equals 3.14 or 22 by 7. But why do we use these symbols for pi? What is this symbol? Pi is actually the 16th letter of the Greek alphabets. But the question, still remember why the 16th letter? Okay. We just saw that pi has got something to do with the parameter or the circumference of the circle. Let's use Google Translate to see the Greek equivalent of parameter. As we see that the first letter of the Greek word is pi. Okay. Let's try a couple of more words related to parameter. How about periphery? The first letter is still pi. Okay. Let's try circumference. The first letter, as all of us can see, is still pi. That's probably why this symbol was used to denote pi. Okay. Anyway, don't forget the important point. Pi is circumference of the circle divided by its diameter. So it is the ratio of circumference to the diameter. Based on the formula, if the diameter of the circle is 1 unit, then its circumference will be pi units. If we have a circle like this with diameter equal to 1 unit, then the length of this boundary will be pi or approximately 3.14 units. So this is the pi and the values is parameter circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r and the value